Hello, welcome to Daddy and Daughter Baking Day. Tamsin's behind the camera today because Aaron, as you can probably hear in the background, is out with his friends playing on the trampoline. What we're going to do today is we're going to be making Kinder brownies. If you like what you see, as before with previous messages, you can drop us a comment, you can like and subscribe if you would please. So let's get on with everything. What we're going to need for today's ingredients are 250 grams of Bueno chocolate, 250 grams of Kinder Bueno, 3 large eggs, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 275 grams of light brown sugar, plain flour 100 grams, and softened butter. This has been just left at room temperature, 200 grams of unsalted butter. First thing we're going to do is we're going to combine our butter and our dark chocolate together. What we're going to do with this is just put it in the microwave. You can use a bowl over hot water. Be very careful. Again, very careful. Just put it in the microwave, probably about 1 to 2 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. We'll do that now, and then we'll come to the rest of it. What we've done is we've melted the chocolate and the butter. That we'll just leave. That's been left at room temperature now, just to cool down. One thing we forgot to mention in the ingredients. 50 grams of cocoa powder. You'll need a 9-inch square baking tray lined with baking paper, and we've got the oven set at 160 on the fan. Next we're going to mix up, and Tamsin's going to do this, we're going to mix up the sugar, brown sugar, and 3 eggs. Now this needs to be whisked until it's nice and fluffy. If it's doubled in size, that's what it should be. And when you lift out the whisk, it should leave a little trail for about a couple of seconds, and that's when you know it's done. So, where's my towel? There we go. So that's the eggs and the sugar. Tamsin's going to whisk it. Cup of tea optional, but highly recommended. Tamsin made this one for a change. Right, Tamsin, let me take the camera and you can take over.
Okay. Should I just put it on my lid?
Yep. Nice and gently to start with. Yeah, it helps if you turn it on. So Tamsin's whisked it, so just shows it, Tamsin, that's it. So just put it in and lift it out. Put the whisk, there you go, lift it out. So as you can see, it should leave a trail for a couple of seconds before disappearing. That's it. And it's nice and airy, so you want to keep that air into it, that's the secret with this. The chocolate is cooled down now, so we're just going to add this to the mixture. And what we want to do then is we just want to fold it in. Let's say fold it in nice and gently, because you don't want to lose all that air that you've got.
Just put in the middle.
Yep, straight in the middle. Okay, take your time when you're doing this, because you don't want to knock out all the air. That's the secret of this. So once we've done this, what we're going to do then is we're going to sift in the flour, plain flour, and the cocoa powder.
and the cocoa powder, and then you'll just need to fold it again slowly.
Just get back of the spoon, Tams, and you can sort of push that back in. Everything's been combined now together. So we've done it nice and slowly, so we don't knock out the air. And now if you think we've got enough chocolate in there, now the fun begins. So we add in Kinder chocolate. I think we need a bigger bowl, Tams. I'm going to have to get a bigger bowl today.
Yeah.
And once we've done that, just keep stirring it, folding it in nice and gentle like that. And then once that's folded in, we're going to put in all the Kinder Bueno as well. So now we'll combine the Kinder Bueno. Remember, any that fall on the floor or the worktop, you eat. So once they're all in, we shall put them in a 9-inch baking tin. Let's say fan set at 160, and then they will go in there in the oven for around about 25 to 30 minutes. So we'll do this, put them in a tin, and then we can decorate them with a few more bits on top. So everything's combined, very, very chocolatey. Pour it into the baking tin. So we've got two bowls of chocolate to look out today. Just going to sprinkle it, just in case there's not enough chocolate on. We're going to just put some, decorate it with a few more bits. And that's it, in the oven, 160 fan for about 25 to 30 minutes. And we'll see how it turns out. There we go. Back up a little bit, Tam. Right, brownies have been in for half an hour now. So Tam's in. Watch your face. There we go.
Oh, it's heavy.
We're just going to leave that cool at room temperature and then cut it up into pieces.